because this is also gratitude episode. Hello, QV, Miss Marivic Laguno. Happy New Year to you and at HK. Ito yung kanta na, this is a song by the Carpenters, 1971 pa ito. And QV, you introduced this to me. And it's like I made a promise na every New Year episode or year-end episode ay talagang kakantahin ko ang Sometimes by the Carpenters. Imagine, 1971 pa ito. So, it's like more than 50 years ago already, nakanta. Pero gusto kong kantahin ito para sa atin mga kaibigan habang tayo ay nagre-reflect, nag-iisip no na, oo nga, ano ang naging regalo ng 2025 sa atin at ano rin ang naging regalo natin sa taong 2025. Sa anong parte man ng buhay natin, sa pagiging kaibigan, pagiging empleyado, pagiging negosyante, pagiging anak, pagiging ama, ina, kaibigan, ayan. Alright, dear friends, sana maalala ko pa ang tono ng kantang to. But this is the song Sometimes, and it is for you all who continue to listen to Winner Ka Pinoy. Sa inyo na mga coaches ko who I cannot reveal your names on air. Except yung isa na proud na ipagsabi na ako ang coach niya, Miss Richelle Labiso and Neil. Happy New Year to you both. And sa lahat sa inyo na napagsilbihan ko in 2025 and to all my friends and to all my loved ones, thank you so very much for all the love you gave me. Maraming maraming salamat. Sometimes not often enough, we reflect upon the good things, and those thoughts always center around those we love. And I think about those people who mean so much to me and for so many years have made me so very happy. And I count the times I have forgotten to say thank you and just how much I love them. So that's the song Sometimes. At kung may mga iba man sa inyo na nakakalimutan kong pasalamatan na at hindi ko nasasabi sa inyo kung gaano ko kayo kamahal, please know that I treasure you. Hindi ko lang kayo naiisa-isa on air, pero alam nyo yon, you know. And so I wouldn't mention names today because I just don't want to cry on our New Year's episode. All right, dear friends? Okay.